Welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn a very interesting topic about consolidation. So, what are consolidations? I think we have already covered in the previous class, first price action class. Now we'll be covering the types of consolidation. So, two types of consolidation we will be covering. I have not covered about triangles till now, correct? In this series, no, okay. So we are going to learn predominantly about the triangles. Now, consolidation. Consolidation, what it is. So I will request you to imagine something. Okay. Now, if the drawing is not very good, but let's say if there is a rectangular box here, and we throw a ball inside that rectangular box. So what will happen if we mark the trajectory of that ball within the rectangle? It will go something like this. It will bounce from the wall of that box, come down, again bounce, here, something like that. Agreed? How many of you are able to imagine that if we have a box, a hard box, maybe a wooden box, and let me say I will mark it with a different color. If we have, let's say, our the color of the ball is color of the ball is red. So if we throw a ball inside the box, it will go like this, hit at this level, fall to the bottom or the support, again go here, hit the resistance, fall here, like that it will keep on bouncing. Correct? So it's in the range, it is bouncing. It will appear as if it is trapped in a box, in a rectangle. How many of you are able to imagine? Can I have yes from all of you if you are able to understand what I'm trying to say here? Yes? Okay. Now, since we started with the box, now let's see the other way round. How to see other way round is, let's remove everything, and if we have a price movement which is going up, down, up, down, like this, can we now imagine a box that somehow this price is trapped inside a box? So what will happen is you will see the price action going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, like this, because you will not see a box. Box we'll have to imagine. So is it okay with everyone if I ask you to imagine a box around this price, and let's say if you physically draw a box something like this, and then we say, okay, the price is trapped inside a rectangular box. Everyone okay? Everyone okay with this? Clear? Okay. Now, let's go back to the example. See, what happens is normally whenever I trade or whenever I find a trade, I keep some snapshots. So those same snapshots I am sharing with you. It has a Ichimoku indicator also in it. So please try to ignore that indicator as of now for understanding purpose. So few pictures I have without indicator, few pictures I have with indicator, because this is part of my library. Every time I get some trade, after the trade is complete, I'll take a picture and keep it separately. So let's say this is the picture of Bajaj Holding. This is sometime in May 2024. This is the price movement. It is going here, went up, gone down, went up, like that. So can we all imagine that the price got trapped? It is bouncing like a ball inside a rectangle, like this, like this, like this, and it went up. How many of you can visualize this? Yes. Let me try to put it. This is in June, no, June 24. So let's see here in the charts. We have Bajaj Holding. See, this was the case here, what we were seeing. And when you are seeing a consolidation, you will see something like this. Okay. So you are seeing something like this. This is a consolidation. This is the consolidation of a price. So when you are seeing consolidation means price is going up, going down, up, down, up, down. It is not going anywhere. It is not moving in a particular direction. It is not moving in a trend. It is simply for a month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month. It may take some years also. I'll show some examples so you don't limit your thought process to only days or months. Like here in the case from April, it is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Now, when we see this price, we have to tune our eyes to see if it is sort of fitting, moving inside a box. So what we can do is, this comes with the practice. Of course, you have to practice a lot. Let's say we pick up a rectangle here. We see, okay, this ball started from here, went down, went up. So both are almost at the same level. Went down, this low and this low is almost same, went up, went down. So, okay. So more or less we can say, okay, it is coming this level, straight we go down, and roughly it is fitting inside a box. Everyone okay? Everyone clear how I fitted it into box? First we visualize the price. This is how you will see. Then we fit a rectangle over it. So it is trapped in the rectangle. Okay. Now, how to trade? So we can extend the rectangle. So the ball will break the rectangle and go out. How does it break? What is called a breaking of rectangle? Whenever it is closing above this rectangle. So this price went out and it closed above the rectangle. This is called a breakout of a rectangle. Preferably with a good volume. If it is breaking out, if it is closing above the triangle with a good volume, we call it that the rectangle or the consolidation is broken. So another way of looking at it is previous few tops which are at the same level. It is a resistance level. If the price crosses above that resistance level and closes, it is called the breakout of that rectangle. Okay, so everyone is okay with the rectangle breakout? What is, how the breakout is visible? If there is a volume, good volume, fantastic. We want the that is preferable. ठीक है. अब the best part in the consolidation is we can always set a target how far it will go. So what we do is we take the width of the consolidation. So let me take the width. Let's take the low of this consolidation. Let's take the high of this consolidation, and we will put it at the point where it broke out. So it broke out at this location. it is likely to go till here. So this is the target for this Bajaj holding. So it has come out. You can, since it is already out, it's almost here. You can buy here and sell here. So you have a entry, you have an exit. Stop loss is here, though now you'll see the stop loss is quite far away. You can take the trade or leave it, but we'll go ahead with our example. So our example, our target is here, stop loss is here, which is the bottom of the triangle. With Ichimoku, you have much better trailing system. In normal, it will be the triangle. Okay, so Gauri is asking either it will be weekly or daily candle. This is a daily candle example. I'll show you the weekly candle example also. Huh? So this is daily. This will occur on daily. This will occur on weekly. This will occur on monthly. This will occur on hourly also. So the concept is same. You have to understand the concept. Right now, our picture is showing daily candle. So let's see if it is going from here to here. So of course, since I'm showing this example, it must have gone. So it went much more above that previous. So here also what happens is, since this was a target, this was the previous high, it will at least go till here. So we can set that target, right? Ichimoku, forget. What I was trying to say is Ichimoku gives you a better stop loss planning. Right now, without Ichimoku, you have to take the low part of this triangle as a stop loss if it goes against you. Okay, so this is for Bajaj Holdings. So can I have yes from all of you if you understood what is a triangle, what is a price trapped inside the triangle looks like, what is the breakout, if breakout happens, how far it will go, how to measure. So we enter, once it breaks out here, we will exit when it reaches a target. Here it has gone up further, that is okay, but at least we know how it reaches to target. Okay, now let's say I have taken I have kept the snapshot here for everyone's convenience. I'll take you through 2-3 snapshots here. These are the previous snapshots which I have taken here. Okay, now second example what I have is Asian Paints. This is again February, March, April. See, the price came here, it kept bouncing between these two lines. This is almost parallel lines. The price kept bouncing between these two lines, breakout, and it reached the target. So there was a breakout, the price closed above. Here the volume was not that great, but still you can take a chance. Breakout, closing above the triangle, it went till the target. So target is how much? This is the width of the triangle. Same width, it is likely to go up. Third example is again National Fertilizers. This is again May 2024, May, June. Again, the price is trapped inside a triangle and there is a breakout. It will reach the target. It is gone further above. Fourth, Bata India. Again, the price is trapped for 2 to 2 months. So it should be more than 1 month. The price should be going up and down for more than 1 month. Clear? Everyone clear about the rectangle? Yes, no? Clear. Okay. Now, if we see, I can tell you some past example, nice examples, right? So now, if you see, here, we have this, like Gauri was asking whether it is a daily or weekly. Now, this I'm showing some weekly examples to you. Okay. This is a weekly consolidation of Dr. Lal Path Laboratories. Okay. Now you can see this is the consolidation here. Okay. So this has not reached the target. So you can verify the trade, whatever we are saying, whether this will reach till this point or not. Now this is the Lal Path, Dr. Lal Path Labs. It has gone down, went up, gone down, went up, gone down, and the breakout happened here. This is the breakout point. This is the width of the triangle. Width after measuring, I have kept it till here. This is the target. It is matching with the previous top. That gives us more confidence that it is likely to reach here. So Dr. Lal Path, you people can observe whether it reaches to the target or not. So you can note down, okay, Lal Path, we discussed the target is somewhere around 3900 based on the rectangle. Now let's see Alchem, what I have Alchem. Alchem is a rectangle, right? So this is another example. This is a daily example, which is in progress right now. Again, you can see this went up, went down, went up, went down, and here with a volume. So you can see the volume here. There is a volume, there is a breakout. It closed above the rectangle. So what is the target? Target is from here to here, whatever is the width, like width is some 873 points. Right now, it has started the journey. It is, so this is one thing which you can observe going in future, whether what rectangle we have studied. I have given you two examples. A Lal Path, if you want, you can note the target also in coming days. In another 3 to 4 months, you can observe whether it reaches to the target or not. So Alchem, based on the consolidation and rectangle theory, it is likely to reach 6393 as per the measurement. Lal Path Laboratories, it is likely to reach, this is 3900 from here based on the rectangle. So you can also go and check. This is a weekly, this is daily. Biocon, let's see. Again, okay, so this is rectangle we are yet to study. We'll go rectangle, Pidilite. It has reached almost its target. This is triangle, DMART. Okay, DMART is triangle. So we'll, okay. See, consolidation. Okay, so I'll take pause and take the consolidation questions here. Now here, okay, so I'll take the first question. Is it the normal one in any consolidation? Most of the consolidations, it will happen whenever the consolidation happens. It's like a double-edged sword. Okay, it can go down also. If it closes below the rectangle, it will go down by the same size of rectangle till bottom. If it is closing above, there is a high probability that it will go above. So the consolidation is like a waiting time. Something is happening. Some news is about to come, right? So this is a make or break consolidation. See, every breakout will be preceded. If we go back also, see, there is always consolidation happening. The trends will be happening very less. If you see in this example, Alchem, it consolidated from here to here, almost for this, broke out on the top, and then it went again up. Then it came down, consolidated, went up. Again, consolidation, and now it is going up. So this is how it will happen. Consolidation going up, consolidation going down. So this is the two-way thing. Then we come to the question, how long should we watch out the consolidation phase? It can last from anywhere between, so minimum criteria I'll give, minimum criteria is at least 1 month. Minimum criteria is more than 1 month. It should be consolidating 52 days and above is the consolidation what happens. 26 days and above, 1 month and above, you can say consolidation happens. If it consolidates, then you should have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and then create a consolidation. So we have a demand for VBL. I hope you have seen and you are not just wanting me to analyze because you are holding the stock, right? So it's in consolidation phase, right? So it is in correct. So VPL good. Okay, so I cannot pronounce your name, Anil SH or Anilesh. Okay, I'll allow you to unmute yourself. You can tell me what is pronunciation of your name. Anil SH, right? Okay, leave it. This is consolidation. So what we do in this case is we take the high of the consolidation. See, even if we take this consolidation here, let's take this consolidation. Only here, if we take, there was a breakout here, right? We buy here, our stop loss is this. Our stop loss is not hit. It is still above the stop loss. So as long as it is not closing below this, we are good. If you have bought it here also, we are good. Our stop loss is there. What is our target? If we are looking at this rectangle, if we take from here to here, our target is here. This is our target, okay, in Varun Beverages. Fine. Anil Sharma, okay. So Anil, this is okay. So this is our target as per this consolidation. If let's say it's not going to target in near future, it is better to exit and take the consolidation as the complete consolidation till here and wait for a breakout to happen above this. So this width, it is likely to, if the breakout happens, it is likely to go 1376, 1702. So almost 300 points till 2000. It can go, but breakout has to happen. Breakout means it should close above this line for the breakout to happen. We cannot say it is likely to go. No, it can go down also by this much point. Okay. So everyone okay with the rectangle? So this is one consolidation. This is rectangle. Now another type of consolidation is a triangle consolidation. What is triangle? Triangle consolidation is again going back to imagination. We are going to imagine few things. Now we are going to imagine we have a triangle. Okay. So I'm assuming everyone knows what is a triangle. So let's say we create a box, big box, wooden box, whose sides are like this, solid side, wooden box, right? It has a solid walls like this. So everyone can imagine this is a triangle. Yes, no? Okay. Now, if we throw a ball inside this box, what will happen is it will go hit here, go up, hit here, come here, and again go here. Like, right? So the ball will move inside the triangle. If we throw a ball, it will go hit here, come, hit here, hit here, hit here, and it will appear that it is trapped inside a triangle. It got trapped inside the triangle. Now, if I don't have this box, let's say if I don't have this box, and then I see a price action where the price, as first it goes up, comes down, goes up, again comes down, again goes up, something like this. Now with my imagination, can I draw a triangle by joining the two highs and two lows here? If I join two high and two low and extend it further, like this, I will make a triangle ahead in future somewhere. So what I'm trying to do is first I'm seeing the movement of this ball and then trying to fix a triangle, an imaginary triangular box on this ball, and assuming the ball is trapped inside the triangle and it is bouncing up and down. How many of you can imagine this? How many of you are okay imagining this? Agreed? This is a very, very powerful and very, like you can say, it is the success rate is very high for triangles. I am personally a very big fan of triangles. You can say for short-term trading, I am hunting for triangles. So I trade triangles more. I'm hunting for triangles more for trading. So Sujay is saying here also two top and two bottom. Yes, two top and two bottom is required because we need 2 points. Okay, remember this. Don't draw a triangle with 1 point. We have learned in childhood, right? If I have this point here, if I have only 1 point, I can draw a line like this. I can draw a line like this. Crossing this point, I can draw a line like this. Anything I can draw. But if I have 2 points, okay, one here and one here, when I draw a line joining these 2 points, then this is a fixed direction line. So when I want to draw a triangle, I need two highs, which is this high and this high. And when I'm drawing a bottom line here, I need a bottom also. So I have to join the bottom like this, and this is a triangle. Okay. So I need two high, two low, two high to draw a upper line of the triangle, two low to draw the bottom of the triangle. I'll take you through the examples and I'll explain you what type of triangles we are looking at. Okay, so you can see my screen here. You're able to see the screen. Again, I'm taking you through the snapshots. Okay, so this is the triangle number one. See, the price went up. Okay, got hit, went down, went up, went down, and then closed above the triangle. So there was a triangular breakout. So what we have to do is we have to join this top, draw a line, join this bottom, draw a line, so we can see a triangle. Can everyone imagine this triangle here? Yes. So our price got trapped inside the triangle and there was a breakout, and how far it will go? The maximum height of the triangle measured from the closure till the target. So it went to the target after a few days. It took some time. If we see IREDA, the price went down, went up, went down, broke the triangle, went up by 45% in, I think, 10 days. Again, okay, this is sideways movement. This is again Info Edge, Naukri. The price went in, went down, bounced up, bounced down, bounced up, bounced down, and broke the triangle. It went till the height of the triangle. Then it went up. That is a different thing. This is Hindustan Copper. Price entering the triangle, going down, going up, going down. So we have two tops, clear tops, two clear bottoms, breakout, the width of the triangle, the greatest width going up. Okay, so this is a triangle example. Now coming to the live, currently what we are having right now in our hand, which you people can observe and see whether it works that way or not. Now again, this is a weekly chart. Biocon is a weekly triangle. It's not a daily triangle, we can say. Okay, so this is a weekly triangle. If you can see, the price went down, bounced up, okay, went down, bounced up, went down, breakout. This is the breakout. How far it is likely to go? It is likely to take the maximum width. So we have to measure the maximum width. We'll measure from here till here. This is like 104 points. We keep it here. From the top of the triangle, this is our target. So anyway, the Biocon has already gone here, some more headwind till it reaches here. So this is for Biocon. Kotak Bank, let's see if it is a triangle. It's a huge triangle. Still the breakout has not happened. If the breakout happens, then it is likely to go till here. So right now breakout has not happened. This is under observation. Alok Industries, no. Okay, let's say Pidilite. See, again, the Pidilite Industries, this is a weekly chart. Price went up, went down, went up, went down, breakout, and whatever is the width from here to here is the target from here to here. So it reached the target, we exit at the target. How to find is a different thing. It's a tedious work, but this is how it works. Let's say ICICI Prudential, I'm extremely sorry for a very dirty chart here because I am doing some more studies also. This is head and shoulder, which we'll learn. If I'm able to, I'll hide. See, you all can see this is going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Then this is a breakout. How far it will go? If we see the measure, then ICICI Prudential is likely to go till 847. So it has. कैसे करूं? Actually, I'm little bit other studies are going on, so this it's too much cluttered. Sorry for that. It is likely to go till 847 based on the triangle measurement. Arvind, what we have here, okay, this is not there, Petronet. Again, this is a rectangle. So the rectangle and it reached to the target. So this is done. Closure, we consider the closure. For drawing a triangle, we have to consider the high. Fine. So everyone got to know the, like, what are the triangles? What are the rectangles and what are the triangles, correct? Clear? Okay. See, now who is asking? Can you please repeat how the target is measured? Okay. The target is, let's take HBL power. Okay. Now this is a daily chart. And let me cut the chart here. Okay. See, this is a triangle. The price is bouncing. It went up, went down, bounced up. So we have two tops. We drew a triangle. It went down, went up. These are two bottoms. We have drawn. We are waiting for it to come out. Agreed, Rohit? Rohit. Okay. So Rohit. Okay. Now what we do is we take the maximum width. So maximum width of this triangle is here. So we take from here. Sorry, we will not take like this. We will take measure from here till here. So this tool will give how many points? 237 points. Can you see here?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And now what we do is we pick up this 237 point and put this 237 points where the breakout will happen. Like, let's say if the breakout, see, this breakout has happened at this point, the breakout has happened. If I'll remove this, see, the price has closed above the triangle. So it broke the triangle and it has come out, correct? Now, at this point, we keep this 237 points here and we keep it like this. So we can measure from here what is the target. So target for HBL power systems after this breakout is 756. So that becomes our target. So for triangle, the maximum width here, we keep it and take it as a target. Right now, it is in progress. It went up and it has come here. So most likely in next few days, it will reach here. So it will reach the target. It may reach, may not reach. Higher probability that it will reach there. So this is how we take the rectangle. To find the rectangle and all, it takes we can keep a separate session how to find rectangles and all. It's a little tedious process, but it is very encouraging process because you get to earn like here. You can say almost this 45% is there from here to here. 500 to 237 is 45%, and it's starting from here. If we measure the number of days, it is coming from here, and most likely it will maybe by dividend date. So 13 September, in 1.5 months, we are able to achieve 45%. Depends, 45%, 30%, 20%, like that you can gain depending on the triangle and the consolidation. So I am a big fan of triangles. I keep finding the triangles and trading them. Few more examples of triangle. We have this is Century State Bank of India, right? This is the triangle happening, breakout and target achieved somewhere here. CUB Industries, this is again an example of triangle, again Uno Minda, triangle. This is weekly triangle. I uploaded on the YouTube also for this weekly, sometime in July 2024. No, 23 July, when the price was here, I had uploaded on my YouTube that, okay, this is Titan is forming the weekly triangle. It is here. It will reach its target. It reached in 6 to 8 months. So this is the triangle, Century, Chennai Petro. Then we have a triangle again. So these are how the triangles form. So maybe sometime I'll create some video and upload it directly how to find triangles. Okay, finding triangles is little tedious process, so I'll upload. But anyway, whenever you are seeing a stock, you can go and see whether a triangle is formed. You can send me and check with me whether this is a triangle or not. So Anurag is asking, do we need strong stock for this? Yes, you at least need some decent stock. May not be strong stock, but at least some decent stock to start with. Okay, so there is a demand for which stock? BAJAJFINSV. Okay, so let's see BAJAJFINSV. Okay, this is in consolidation for sure. So now, see, very good pattern right now here. So when we are analyzing, okay, now let's analyze BAJAJFINSV. Now, what you should do is you should analyze at multiple level. Okay, who said Raj? Okay, Raj, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, Amir.
So see, when we are looking at Bajaj, this is what we want to analyze, correct?
Yes, that's right.
When we are looking at it, we should feel like I told, as I gave the example, that we should have the feeling that the ball is trapped inside either a rectangle or a triangle. Okay.
Right.
Now, if we are looking at this, yes, I am getting a feeling that yes, it is trapped between two horizontal line. Let me put some box around it. So let's say it is bouncing from here, again it is going there. So let's be on the safe side, or let's say, let me delete this. To be on safer side, let me create a box, something like this here. Okay. Now let me extend. So on the, so more or less, I would say from this point, it went up, went down, went up, went down. Abhi, it is somewhere here. So I can say this is the box in which it is trapped.
Okay.
That is how we have to imagine. But here also, see, somehow I am trying to fit that box to explain. Correct? Agreed now. Matlab, if you see, you will say, even I will say, I somehow try to fit this box. Utna maza nahi.
Yeah.
We didn't
हाँ,
enjoy that much. Why we didn't
yeah.
enjoy that much? Because if
थोड़ा सा इसमें थोड़ा सा बस अगर हम बफर लेते हैं ऊपर वाली लाइन का, जैसे अभी आपने यू हैव टेकन इट राइट एट द टॉप, राइट? अगर ऊपर वाली लाइन को आप जस्ट द रिसेंट टू हाइज पर अगर लेकर आए, मे बी लिटिल डाउन,
यहाँ
और
पे
ऊपर वाले को, हाँ, ऊपर वाले को बफर मान लेते हैं जो 2 4 5 बार वो ऊपर गया,
ये है,
तो कैन वी से कि ब्रेकआउट नहीं, थोड़ा सा नीचे 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 दिस पॉइंट, या दैट्स राइट. So, I mean, should it be viewed or considered in a way that, I mean, it is breaking out or not?
See, क्या होगा ना कि as soon as it will reach to this points,
it can come down.
It will face resistance. So हमको बहुत कोई मतलब, if I want to trade and if I know that okay, if it comes to this level, the people who are purchased here might want to get out from here.
Yeah.
ये तो बैठा है ना, ये तो इंतजार में बैठा है कि कब प्राइस मेरे लेवल पे और मैं निकलूं, कहीं फंस गया हूं मैं, ऐसा तो नहीं कि फंस गया हूं इस स्टॉक.
राइट. लेकिन वो नंबर ऑफ इंस्टेंसेस बहुत कम है, वो वाले टॉप अगर आप देखोगे ना तो हार्डली फोर टॉप्स, राइट?
एग्रीड. सो वी कैन टेक अ चांस, वी कैन स्टिल टेक अ चांस कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक करके यहाँ से हम ले ले टारगेट, वहां तक पॉसिबल है जाए. मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि नहीं
वैसे
जाएगा.
मैं अपनी स्टोरी शेयर करता हूँ कि मैं इसमें से एग्जिट ले चुका हूँ आज.
नहीं वो ठीक है.
Actually, during the day, I mean,
एनालाइजिंग
it
एज न्यूट्रल
started
पीपल.
coming down. So yeah.
So
Otherwise, I'm doing, I mean, typical way call sell and put sell, I mean, for that range particularly.
So now what I wanted to show you, because I saw while moving here and there. So one, we are trying to fit something in this. Okay, when this fitting is not happening, we can move from daily to weekly. Now, if we go to weekly, and Raj, I did not tell to ask about BAJAJFINSV, right?
No.
है ना, ये आपने अपने मन से बोला है, करेक्ट?
Yes.
मतलब एक क्वेश्चन प्लान नहीं किया गया है टू शो.
नहीं.
So
Absolutely not.
okay, now what we have done is, see, this is how we do analysis. अब जैसे ये हुआ, हमको मजा नहीं आया, मतलब typically I did not enjoy. If you see, I was not very comfortable fitting this triangle, but I then changed my view from daily. We were looking at daily, and when I was scrolling down, I found that there were huge lines. So what I did was I switched over to weekly analysis. Right now, right here, and I'll be keeping this in my watch list as well. So what I will do is I'll not take this, but if you see, I am seeing something like this. So this is the top. And can I say this is the top
triangle
line? Huh? ठीक है sir?
Correct.
Can I say that, okay, this is a line and somewhere here, something like this, I am seeing a triangle on a weekly chart. How many of you can see this triangle on a weekly chart? Can I have yes from everyone कि हमको कुछ मिला है यहाँ पे? Thanks to Raj. Yes. Now we have a weekly BAJAJFINSV triangle. Okay. Now, if it breaks out, so let me draw it again properly so that we all have something to observe. I'll put a magnet to this. I'll put a here, and let's start at the top, and let's take the best fit case here. Okay. Now this is the triangle here. Let's take this. Let's take this, or we can even take this somewhere here. Okay, this ट्रायंगल, बॉल हमने फेंका, टकराया, it went up, went down, went up, went down, went up, went down, and now it is sitting on the verge. This is a weekly triangle. Now, if at all it closes above the triangle, now, okay, I'm giving you actual how to observe from this point onwards. Now, what I want to do is, first of all, see what is the target for this. Now, we will be measuring from the lowest point in the triangle. We can take this or we can take this. Let's not be greedy. Let's start measuring from here to here. So how much point we are getting here?
Around 800.
800 points. So we will pick it up. We will keep it here, somewhere here. Okay, on this triangle. And we will say, okay, am I going to buy tomorrow? No, I will wait for it. Every Friday I'll check. Say this Friday I'll check if it is closing above this triangle I formed or not. Okay, so it is not that Tuesday I'll open the and punch the for BAJAJFINSV. No, because this is a weekly chart. We have to see for the weekly closure. Now, if you see here, my target for BAJAJFINSV, if it is closing above the triangle here is 2483 or some 811 points or some 50%. So I'm looking at a stock with a 50% potential. We all are looking at a stock with a potential 50% upside. Okay. Because this is a weekly chart. Sujay is asking why weekly, why Friday? Because weekly candle will close on Friday. Second thing is, to be doubly sure, see, I am playing a high probability game. I don't want to rush for 50% gain. Okay, nahi kal kharid leta hu. Nahi. What I will do is, I am ready to give away some 5-7% out of it. So what I will do is, I don't want this previous tops to come in my way. So I'll draw a line. This is how I'm actually going to do. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do actually. So I'm not wait for the triangle price to close here above the triangle. I will wait for the price to close above the previous high. If you see, if I'm zooming in, this is the previous high, previous to this breakout, this is the high. So I'll wait for it to close here. Once it closes to this, close above that line, I'm okay giving few percentage. So if I just hold on, so what I will do is, my target here now from this measurement. Oh, okay. Now I am okay with 43%, but I want my probability to be high. So how I will trade this triangle is, it not only closes above the triangle, but it closes above this previous high. Why this previous high? Because immediate previous high sometimes acts as a resistance and the price might go down. I want a comfortable life. I don't want a hassle wala life. So what I will do is, I'll wait it out that it proves to me that it has crossed the previous resistance. Let it close above the level here, which is around high hai hamara. High is 1725. Let it close above 1725. I'll buy the stock and wait for the stock to reach this level, which is 2480. And what is my stop loss? Whenever it is coming out, this line, this bottom line is my stop loss. If it fails, if it comes down, if it closes below this line, I will exit. So that is my stop loss, looking purely at triangle. But so this is how we can plan. Everyone can plan. Interesting?
Thanks, Amish sir.
Others? Okay, great. So we can all thank Raj for giving us a wonderful trade of 40. कितना percentage का दे दिया राज ने हमको? So this is around 43% trade. So Raj has given us a trade worth 43%. If it closes 1723, so my request is everyone in this class should pray that Raj also joins in next classes and gives us more trade like this so that we can earn 43% every time, right? So, okay, great.
Thank you.
Okay, so this was wonderful example, a practical example. If it gets executed, fantastic. But don't jump the gun. Don't buy कि अरे वहाँ triangle बन गया है 43 जाएगा नहीं. We are here for fishing. You have to wait patiently for all our criteria to be met. To fulfill the criteria, then we are in a high probability zone. Still, we should be ready to exit if still what trade, what assumptions we are taking goes wrong, goes against us. We should still be ready to exit with gracefully. So we are having an exit plan at profit. We are having exit plan in loss. We should always have an exit plan before entering. So we have an exit plan. This bottom line is our exit plan in loss. This top line here, this 2480 is our exit plan in profit. So even before entering, we have decided the exit plan. Entry plan also we have decided we'll enter once it crosses 1725. It closes on the Friday because this is a weekly candle. Weekly chart, so we'll observe every Friday. This Friday we'll observe, next Friday we'll observe, so we'll keep on observing on Fridays or end of the week. Whenever it closes above 1725, we buy, we wait for 43% success or to hit stop loss. बाकी बीच में हमको कुछ नहीं करना है. Fine, everyone okay, everyone clear? बढ़िया ट्रेडिंग प्लान बन गया है आज अपना. Good way to close the session, right? Okay, so great. So trailing stop loss, leave it. We'll get confused. So if we buy and leave it 43%. We'll see. So great. I hope everyone learned something new today, something interesting. So with that positive note only, we'll close the session today without any questions. Okay. So thank you so much for joining today. I hope everyone enjoyed the session and everyone learns and earns money. Thank you so much.